If you want to use Claude Code inside Visual Studio Code, here's how it works. First, open the Extensions tab in Visual Studio Code. In the search bar, type Claude. Select the first result called Claude Code for VS Code by Anthropic, then click Install. If a message asks you to trust the publisher, click Trust Publisher to continue. Once it's installed, you'll see a Claude icon in the top right corner of VS Code. Click the icon to open the sign-in window. Here, you can choose how you want to log in. For most people, the easiest option is Claude subscription. Keep in mind you'll need a Claude Pro plan for this, or you can use the Anthropic console and pay only for the API you use instead. Select your preferred sign-in option. Authorize to give access. After that, Claude will be connected and ready to use inside VS Code. You can now ask questions, write code with AI, and complete your work much faster. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.